How can someone use value investing and financial knowledge to advise and consult with businesses all over the world? That one's a pretty interesting question. I like that we have this one here.
Yes. So about 3 years ago now, one of our masterclass students and I started a business to consult with companies on capital allocation and how to improve their businesses, how to multiply their money, that kind of stuff that we talk about on occasion here in these lives. But we don't talk too much about because, frankly, a lot of people find that kind of stuff boring.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. A lot of it, most people. But so my partner he's over in the United Arab Emirates, and he got some financials from some colleagues and some friends he had. And I took a look at their business and I found some problems. And so they flew me over, and I consulted with, when I was over there, 2 different companies. And they flew me over. I presented to both of them. One company in particular, I found, and I knew I was going to talk about this with them when I was over there, but I was nervous to talk about them with this, even though I'm not nervous to talk about financials ever. This one I was worried about because it was a father who was trying to hand off the reins to the company to his son, and they wanted me to take a look about how to improve the company for that transition. I found the biggest problem I found was that there was $250,000, equivalent to $250,000, because their currency is in dirhams, UAE dirhams, of money that didn't look like it was being spent properly, to put it nicely. So I presented them, or I built this into my presentation, and I said, what is this? What is this money here? I said sundry expenses. To me, sundries are things like food, coffee, things for the office, like snacks and stuff like that. And they said the same thing. And I said, you have, I think it was 13 employees. So there's no way your company spent $250,000 on sundries, on these kind of things. There's just no way. And I was presenting to the father and the son started tearing up. And I had to stop my presentation because he realized what I was saying. He realized that I was saying essentially that somebody's been stealing money from your dad's company. And he was very upset about that. And that's another way. This is just one example of the things that I help them with over there that you can do with this kind of financial education. And when I say financial education in this case, it's actually how to read and analyze financial statements in this case.
Even though on occasion it might mean that you have to give business owners some pretty bad news.
Oh yeah, no, I warned them before the meeting. Before I even started my presentation over there, I said, I hope you guys don't mind, but when I do these kinds of things, I'm very honest, and I say exactly what I see, and some of the stuff you're probably not going to like. And they said, good, that's why we hired you.
Numbers are what they are.
Yeah.
All right, makes sense.